Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Today we're looking at graphing linear inequalities given in standard form. So when they're in standard form, what you want to do is solve them to slope-intercept form and then graph them. So that's what we're going to do here. So I got negative 5x. I'm going to subtract negative 5x. I'm trying to isolate the y here. So we got negative 5x. I bring down the 6y. Is greater than negative 5x plus 6. I just move that negative 5x in front of the positive 6 here. Alright, next I'm going to divide by 6 and put that 6 on every single term. So it's just like converting from standard to slope-intercept form. Nothing's different. But with the inequalities, there's one slight difference sometimes. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. But here, once we divide by 6 here, we get y is greater than negative 5 over 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So now we're going to go to the y-intercept, which is 1. We're going to go down 5. And over 6. Down 5 and over 6. Alright, so that gets me that other point, and now I have my 2 points. So the only thing I want to do now is figure out, since it's an inequality, what kind of line I make. So if you look at it, you'll see that you have a greater than sign without a equal to, no equal to. So if it's no equal to, you use a dash line, Also, forgot one other point. If you see how you have y is greater than mx plus b. So since it's a greater than, you shade over. So it's a dash line and you shade over. So I got a dash line and I shade on top of it. Alright, that's how you graph an inequality. Let's take a look at one more example. Okay, you go graph the inequality on the axis below. Got 2x minus y greater than or equal to 5. Going to subtract 2x on both sides, trying to isolate this negative y. I'll put this negative 2x in front and put this positive 5 on the back. I'm going to divide by negative 1 all the way across. Now understand I'm dividing by negative 1. And because I divide by negative 1, I got to swap the inequality. So remember, same rules apply with this as you do with regular inequalities. You divide by negative, you swap the inequality sign around. Alright, now we're just going to plot it out and then graph it. So I've got my y-intercept, which is negative 5. My slope, which is 2 over 1. So I go up 2 and over 1. And now I have my 2 points. All I got to do is just graph them. So I know that it's a less than or equal to. So since it's an equal to, I'm going to use a solid line. And since it's a less than, I'm going to shade under the line. So that leaves me with a solid line and shading below it. And that's it. That is graphing linear inequalities, given that they're in standard form. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.